everyone, welcome back to the AGA Studios. Today we're going to be exploring a process called collagraphy. What's collagraphy? Well, it's a form of printmaking that uses collage to build up a matrix or a plate, and then you print from that. What's unique about collagraphy is that it can both be a relief printing process or intaglio printing process. Now, there are a couple of ways that you can do collagraphy. You can use mixed media materials, things that are flat, like pipe cleaners, bread tags, puzzle pieces, paper clips, string, whatever you have. You can also, this is one of my favorite little books. I have a couple of examples in here too of using material, so different textured materials, and just gluing them to a base, or paper. And that's what we're going to be doing today. We're going to create an image using just paper. Let's put it together. Decide which direction you want your plate to be in. So, horizontal or vertical. Cut or rip your scrap paper into shapes and place them on the plate. Work out a couple of compositions. Keep working with the different shapes, placing them in different ways until you come up with something that you really like. Pick your favorite and then glue down your composition and let dry. Okay, once your plate is ready to go, add paint to your matrix. When using paint, you'll have to work fast. You don't want the paint to dry. So go ahead. You might want to mix up a couple of colors just ahead of time, just so that you have a range to work with. So a little bit of blue there. Green here. Nice. Mellow yellow here. Okay. So now the next thing that you'll want to do is try to cover your plate as quickly as possible. So I'm just going to turn my plate this way just so that it's easy for me to get the color in. So I'm going to start with the light color. Just sort of get that in first. In principle, it's good to start from light color to dark color. So, done. And then you want to work really fast. A sponge can help you really get those layers. And then you can always go back with the paintbrush. And don't be afraid to mix colors on the plate as well. You can also do that. And once you're happy with your paint and it's still wet, just take a piece of paper, hold it down on your sheet of paper. I like to give it a bit of a rub, and if you want to use a spoon, you can rub all around and really get into the areas that need it. Once you've given it a good rub everywhere, applied a lot of pressure, you can slowly pull up the corner and just peel back your print. Ta-da! I hope you have a chance to try this at home. And please share with us. Happy creating!